Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of wooden furniture. From its history and types of wood, to craftsmanship, sustainability, and how to pick the right piece for your space. Let's start with a bit of history. Wooden furniture dates back thousands of years. The earliest known wooden furniture comes from ancient Egypt. Think 2500 BCE. With beds, stools, and chests found in the tombs of pharaohs. But it wasn't just the Egyptians. From the ornate carvings of Chinese dynasties to the sturdy oak pieces of medieval Europe, every culture developed its own woodworking traditions. Why? Because wood is universal. It's accessible, workable, and when treated right, incredibly durable. Throughout history, wooden furniture wasn't just functional. It was a symbol of status, craftsmanship, and cultural identity. Even today, antique wooden pieces hold value not only for their utility, but for the stories they carry. So what makes wood such a long-lasting favorite? Let's break it down. Number 1. Durability. A solid hardwood dining table can last generations. Properly maintained, wood resists wear, holds weight, and ages beautifully. Number 2. Aesthetic versatility. Whether your style is rustic, minimalist, vintage, or ultra-modern, there is a wood tone and grain to match. From the light, airy vibe of ash or birch to the dark sophistication of walnut and mahogany, wood fits any palette. Number 3. Sustainability. Yes, wood can be a sustainable material if sourced responsibly. Many manufacturers now use FSC certified wood, reclaimed timber, or fast-growing species like bamboo and rubber wood. Number 4. Repairability. Unlike metal or plastic, wooden furniture can be refinished, sanded, or restained. A scratched table doesn't have to be tossed, it can be reborn. Number 5. Emotional connection. Let's be honest, a plastic chair may be cheap and functional, but it will never feel alive. Wooden furniture has character. Grain patterns are unique. Knots tell stories. Over time, it becomes your piece. Not all wood is created equal. Here is a quick guide to help you decode what is what. Hardwood come from deciduous trees. They are denser, stronger, and more expensive. Think oak, teak, walnut, maple, cherry, and mahogany. These are ideal for pieces that take a lot of use: dining tables, beds, dressers. Softwoods come from coniferous trees. They are lighter, cheaper, and easier to work with. Pine, cedar, fir, and spruce fall here. Softwood is common in rustic styles and affordable furniture, but it dents more easily. Then there is engineered wood, plywood, MDF, particle board. These aren't solid wood but layered or composite materials. They are budget friendly and stable, but they lack the longevity and charm of the real thing. A good trick: check the weight. Solid wood furniture is heavier. Tap it. You will feel the difference and smell it. Real wood often still carries its natural scent. It is not just the material, the build matters. Check the joints. Dovetail or mortise and tenon joints are a sign of quality. They lock pieces together without relying solely on nails or glue. Cheap furniture often uses visible screws or weak butt joints. Quick word on care: don't let your investment go to waste. Avoid placing wooden furniture in direct sunlight. Also, use coasters and mats. Clean with a damp cloth, not soaking wet. So why does wooden furniture endure? Because it is more functional, it is sensory, it is tactile. It connects us to the nature, to tradition, and to each other. Whether you inherit it, build it, buy it, or restore it, a wooden piece has the potential to outlive trends and maybe even outlive you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what is your favorite wooden piece at home and why. So until next time, happy decorating.